Walking tours are a great low-cost way to get outside, learn about a community, and see a variety of interesting places and things. And no matter where you are in Wisconsin, you're probably not too far from one. In northern Wisconsin, the city of Ashland offers a walking tour that combines history and art.
I do mural tours, and quite often the tourists will say to me when they're done, "Oh my goodness, I didn't know Ashland had such fabulous history." And I tell them, your community has fabulous history. You just haven't paid attention to it.
Burlington in southeast Wisconsin is another city that has opened the door for visitors to come and explore the community's past and present.
Don and his team at the Historical Society have done a fantastic job of putting together a walking tour that any average citizen can do on their own. It provides details of what they're looking at, as well as like the steps of where you should go.
In addition to historical and art-themed tours, there's also walking tours that focus on food, architecture, and even ghost stories, like this one in Whitewater. Wisconsin communities have so many important stories to tell, and walking tours let people discover them at their own pace.
People will say to me, "Well, you should be painting in New York or Chicago." No, people from Chicago should be coming here and finding out what the history of a small town is like.
And now you know your Wisconsin.